A person's financial knowledge and skill set determine their ability to make excellent judgments with all of their financial resources. It is important if you want to get ahead in life and grow, and people often call it financial literacy. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll teach you about the 4 rules of being financially literate. Let's now get going. If you wish to enhance both your personal and financial lives, you might be searching for financial independence and freedom. It suggests that you desire to reach a stage in your life when you can support yourself financially on your own, independent of your loved ones, your job, or a company you despise. But I want you to understand that financial confidence is not the same as financial independence. Financial independence is based on your ability to make money, while financial stability is based on how much money you have. The issue is that most people believe money is scarce. They believe there is no money and that making additional money is impossible. This, however, is completely incorrect. There is a lot of money in the world, but only those with the right skills and knowledge can get it. Money is a game with rules that must be followed. It's incredible how much information becomes available every day, often for free. And Google searches make everything available to anyone. Even though everyone has access to everything, more than 90% of the public doesn't know how money works. Peter, for example, has just gotten his monthly salary. He had $1,700 left over after taxes. Instead of investing, conserving, or doing something productive with his money, he spends it on a couple buddy barbecues and other useless items. Do you consider yourself a Peter? Many people in today's society don't know much about money, but anyone can become wealthy with a few good habits and a wealthy mindset. There are no wealthy people who are financially illiterate unless they inherited a large quantity of money or won the lottery. So, if you want to be rich for good instead of just for a short time, you need to learn about money first. Unfortunately, schools do not provide this type of instruction, so you'll have to study it on your own. Since information about money is so easy to find, why don't people learn more about it? People do not always receive the necessary financial education for 2 reasons. It is frequently free and inexpensive. Reason 1. Conventional wisdom. The truth is that financial education is not always acceptable. Most people will teach you to think that money is scarce, and if your thinking is wrong, you will never get money. Another widely believed but completely erroneous assumption is that debt is bad. People dislike debt because they don't know how to use it well. However, debt isn't always a bad thing. Pay attention to people who know how to make money, since they can advise you on how to become financially literate. You will learn quickly if you apply this to your financial education. Reason 2. Self-esteem and comfort zone. According to the wealthy, success requires a strong sense of self-worth and confidence. You must believe that you are deserving of increased prosperity and happiness, and have a strong feeling of self-worth. Your ability to consistently behave outside of your comfort zone will depend on how confident, endearing, and rich you see yourself to be. This is correct. You must venture outside of your comfort zone and take risks if you want to succeed. You need charisma and confidence to be wealthy. If you lack the confidence to take action, you will never get wealthy. So before you start learning about money, you should first think about yourself and how you feel about taking risks and failing. Confidence allows you to take risks and perform effectively under pressure. So now that you know why individuals don't get financial education and what you can do about it, let's get started with the 4 most fundamental financial education rules. Rule number 1. Never invest in something you are unfamiliar with. You must invest if you want to multiply your money. The difficulty is that working for someone else will never make you wealthy. You must start investing right away. Investments include stocks, bonds, real estate, and foreign exchange. But I want you to be aware of the single most important investment: in yourself. Invest in yourself. First and foremost, you must invest in the growth of your money-making machine, your brain. It will consume you unless you keep up with changes in your industry and specialty. Keep track of any pertinent information about your progress. Invest in your company. When you buy or establish a business, you almost certainly want to expand it. To do so, you must invest in your company in order for it to develop. A corporation is no exception. It requires capital to grow. Investing in your company might include anything from marketing to product research and development. Invest in real estate. As with other businesses, real estate investing is based on the buy low, sell high philosophy, which is a simple idea with a lot of complicated steps. Most people who invest in real estate start with homes and then move on to commercial properties like hotels, large business centers, offices, and other buildings. Essentially, you seek out damaged goods or structures, fix them, wait for the market to improve, and then sell the unit for a profit. Invest in stocks. A stock or share is a piece of a firm that is for sale to the general public. When you acquire stocks, you gain the right to a portion of the company's profits, which is equal to your initial investment. These 4 investing categories are the most common and well known. Regardless of your choice of investing strategy, you must be aware of the risks. To get your money, many people are eager to trick you, so you should be very careful about who you listen to. Do a lot of research before making a purchase, or ask a professional, preferably one who is invested, for advice. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Let's return to the video now. Rule number 2. Debt is a lethal weapon. This is disputed, but debt's power is underappreciated. Those who understand how to use it will prosper, while those who are afraid of it will miss out on several chances. Debt is classified into 2 types: good debt and bad debt. Bad debt is anything you know you will be unable to repay, such as college loans. We shouldn't encourage 18-year-olds to make financial decisions worth hundreds of thousands of dollars without thinking about the repercussions, so be cautious and only get into debt if you know what you're doing. Good debt, on the other hand, is debt you know you'll pay off and that will also make you money. Getting into debt is a technique that you can use to become wealthy. For example, you may require a loan to get your business off the ground. Everything will go as planned as long as you make your payments on time, and you'll be able to pay off your debt and grow your business. Rule number 3. Behave generously. To think abundantly, one must act richly. In other words, you are living beyond your means but claiming to be wealthy. Living within your means was developed by financial experts and is generally sensible advice. Spend your money on things that make you joyful, as long as you are disciplined and prudent with it. Instead of living below your means and scrounging for pennies here and there, begin learning new talents that will pay you enough to support your desired lifestyle. This one trick will have a massive impact on your mentality. You'll begin to identify opportunities and areas where you might be able to make money. Rule number 4. Improve your skills to acquire assets. Assets put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out of your pocket. Your brain is your most valuable asset, and you can strengthen it to increase its value. Certain skills are in high demand in the marketplace, and they always share 2 characteristics. 1, they bring a lot of value to the market, and 2, they make you a lot of money. Instead of working for someone else, start learning abilities that will allow you to create money from nothing by simply providing results to the market. Figure out what you're good at and develop your first high-income skill to get the money you need to keep getting more and more assets. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.